I will cover today are subtraction with borrow and without borrowing. Subtraction means taking away smaller number from bigger number and finding out the difference. Children, difference is the answer which comes after subtracting two numbers. We use minus symbol to represent subtraction. Children, please remember when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. In other words, subtracting 0 from a number means no subtraction. For example, if we subtract 0 from 231, the answer will be 231. Another important point to remember is that if we subtract a number from itself, the answer will be 0. For example, if we subtract 71 from 71, the result will be 0. Subtracting two-digit number without borrowing. Students, always remember that in subtraction, we write the greater number above the smaller number. Let us understand this by an example. Subtract 63 from 96. 96 is greater than 63. So, 96 will be written above 63. We always start subtraction from the rightmost column, just like we do in the addition. So, first we will subtract the number in ones column. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 ones. Now, we will write the 3 under the ones column. Next, we will move to the number in the tens column and subtract 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. We will write 3 under tens column. Thus, the answer we get is 33, which is called the difference. Subtracting two-digit number with borrowing. Students, sometimes we have to borrow the digits from column at left when a digit in the upper number is smaller than the digit in the down number. Let us understand this by an example. Subtract 34 from 92. First, we will compare both the numbers as 92 is greater than 34. So, we will write 92 above 34. Starting from ones column, as you can see, 2 is less than 4. So, we will have to borrow one digit from the tens column. We will borrow 110 from tens column. Then, this 1 tens and 2 ones which we already have will result in 12. Now, we'll subtract 4 from 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. This 8 has to be written under ones column. Now, we will move to tens column. Here, as we already know, 9 has given its 110 to the ones column. We are left with 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 tens. Please note, children, that now we will be subtracting 3 from 8 and not 9. Now, we do the next subtraction. 8 minus 3 result in 5, which we will write in tens column. So, the difference between 92 and 34 will be 58. So, this is how subtraction will be done. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.